Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new video for you guys. It is a styling video, a little bit different from what I normally do. And this video is a sponsored video from Measure and Made. Now they sent me a pair of pants, and what I love about their vision is pretty much they want to make pants that fits everyone as if they're custom made. They have this system, it's a sizing system called Fit Logic, and you're able to take a quiz and a test for it and see what shape and size you are according to their sizing system to get the perfect fit. And so essentially anything that you order through them, anything that you get from them, it fits as if it's custom made. So I took the Fit Logic quiz and they actually sent me a pair of pants that are supposed to fit like a glove because according to the test, it should have picked my perfect size and fit for my shape and my size. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these out for you guys and give you my honest feedback, my first time ever trying anything from them. And then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and style these pair of pants to see if it's something that I can actually work into my wardrobe. Because besides fit, what's also important is style. So let's get started. These pants are freaking amazing. They actually fit perfectly. I feel super comfortable around the waist and it comes down the perfect length. It fits nicely through the thighs and my calves, and like I always have issues where I find either pants are too tight on the waist and like fit nicely on the calves, or they fit perfectly on the waist and then they're too big and baggy on the calves and thighs. And these are actually pretty great pants. I feel like they're close to perfection. What do you guys think? And the waistband has a little bit of elasticity, so it's super comfortable. I feel like there's even a bit of room here for me to move around. Feel super comfortable in it. The only thing, if I was to change anything, would be to have it a little bit more tapered around my ankle, but that's a personal preference. I think other than that, these pants look amazing. They're great for work, and they're great for different types of occasions depending on how you style it. So let's talk about styling. So for this first look, I decided to go a little bit more laid back and, you know, jazz it up with like kind of like a cute laid back holiday sweater, some pearl accents, and some basic black leather boots. For the second look, I cut the pants to create more of a different style with them, and I paired them with this snake print shirt that has a fit and flare feel to it, and so it's super comfy outfit, but you still look sleek and chic. For this third and final look, I paired my pants with this metallic-y shiny top that's perfect for a holiday office party, and I paired them with these beautiful velvet burgundy boots, which I think are cute to go with the mix and bring some color into the wardrobe. So that's all three outfits, and I think I'm in love with my Measure and Made pants. They are super, super comfy and very sleek and professional looking, and I feel like I can style them in so many different ways, and now I have a perfect pair of pants that fit lovely to do that with. I'm honestly excited to try more things from Measure and Made because if they got this fit so perfectly the first time around, I don't know what else they're capable of. So go ahead, check out the quiz. I will link it down below, and comment below, let me know which outfit and styling did you like the most. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I love you guys so much. And FYI, I have a new series going on in my Instagram, so go check out Instagram if you haven't already at Nadia. And if you're here for the first time, what's up? Hi, I'm Nadia. And a fun fact about me is, I've traveled to Atlanta a few times this year already, and I'm based out here in New York City, born and raised in Brooklyn. That's it, guys. I love you guys so much. Remember that you're absolutely beautiful, and until next time, bye. Mwah.